Experience the Georgia Expo difference with DropStop technology. The DropStop is a metal stopper with a rubber head that is installed on the bottom of telescoping uprights and only available at Georgia Expo.
So today we're going to talk about the DropStop, what it is, how it works, and why you need it in your pipe. The DropStop is a metal insert that has a rubber cap on top. It gets inserted into the bottom of your slip collar uprights, and it prevents the inner pipes and the collars from crashing together by stopping the inner pipe from going all the way through. The DropStop is extremely important when using slip collar uprights because it reduces the amount of training you need by preventing the inside pipes from crashing through with the new user, and it prolongs the life of your product by keeping that metal on metal contact from happening.
DropStops are only available at Georgia Expo. Call or go online and place your order today.